In today's video of how to guide, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram message swipe reply not working or not showing up. If you're also having this issue on your Instagram account, then in this video let me show you a couple of fixes that you can try out. Now before I move on and show you, make sure you subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell so you get notified for more informative videos just like this. Now the first thing that you can try out in order to solve the swipe reply feature not showing up is you can try to update your app of Instagram. Search for Instagram on the Play Store or the App Store and then update your app if there are any new updates. Updating apps helps to fix any kinds of bugs which may be causing that issue. Now the second thing that you can do if the first solution did not work for you is you can uninstall Instagram from your phone. So just uninstall the app of Instagram, and once it has been uninstalled, you can again download and log into your account. This is also a good way of clearing out glitches if that is something that you're dealing with. Now once you tried in both of these options and you still can't fix and see the message swipe reply feature, the last thing that you can do is if you have added in multiple accounts on your Instagram app, you can log out of every one of them and only keep the account that the swipe reply feature is missing. If you can see the swipe reply feature on other accounts that you have on your Instagram, then you can remove all of them and use the only one account for a couple of days which does not have the swipe reply feature. This is a bug with Instagram right now, so if you add in multiple accounts on your Instagram app, some features would be missing. So the most common features that would be missing are the swipe reply features, invite collaborator features, and a couple of other features. So you can just remove all of these accounts and only keep the account in which the swipe reply feature is missing. So once you use that particular account for a couple of days, you should be able to see the swipe reply feature back up on your Instagram account. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today. Thanks for watching.